Well, hello everybody. It is Randy, of course, the king of solar screens, myscreenkit.net. Never mind the hat. My beautiful bride lets me know every day that if I come home with a sunburnt neck, she's gonna whoop my tail. I'll leave it at that. But hey guys, we're out here on location. And I love this because I have these two beautiful tall, they're 84 inches tall, 36 wide. And then I have these half moon tops where you could do one of two things. You can separate that and make it a half moon and then a big tall window under it. Or based on the way this particular vinyl is, in fact, I'm gonna scooch in closer on it, you can make that as one. This vinyl here comes out maybe 1/4 of an inch. And this will still allow us to put the frame back here. Stretches the material obviously a little bit, but it keeps it nice and taut. And then of course it will span all the way across and hold tight. So today we're on the unique, where this is the before, and I'm going to pause it in just a moment, and then I'm going to install it because I've actually made this as one. Not only did I want to save the homeowner some money, but the way that was shaped, I thought it would look so gorgeous to do that anyway, instead of breaking that up and having all of that empty space in between up there. So there's the before, folks, and I'm going to pause this, and we're going to come back here in just a few minutes. I'm going to get these 4 installed so you guys can see the finished product. Well, just like magic, that took just a few minutes. But as you can see, I wasn't kidding when I told you, I just thought that look would be so beautiful to make that as a perfect flow all the way around, left to right. And incidentally, those are 89 inches tall. Crazy, isn't it? And to think I only charge $55. Of course, these are 90s. They're just $60 for these. And no tax, no install fee, no credit card fee. I'm very proud of that one. I refuse to allow anyone to tell me to charge a credit card fee. I'm not doing it. But anyway, that's it. So what we have here is that beautiful 90%. So this homeowner lost about 40% of the natural light. And as you can see, it's kind of a dark out, or a blackout, if you will. So there is no more peeking into the house. But if they were inside, and they possibly could be, they could be making silly faces at me. Hey, are you guys in there making silly faces? Stop it. 1-inch aluminum, made in America. 90% black Twitchell, made in America. You know me, if it's not made in America, it's gone.